Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chellesglamhome. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share my Tkmaxx Australia haul. In my previous video, I took you along with me shopping at Tkmaxx. So I wanted to share with you what I picked up, as well as how I styled it in my home. I hope you enjoy. Now I'm going to start by sharing with you my beautiful tea towels that I picked up. Now guys, I'm always drawn to the style of damask prints, whether it be a rug, a wallpaper or a tea towel. I was really drawn to this particular one, as well as these beautiful baby blue ones. Now they both come in a pack of 2 and were both $9.99. Now, there is many things I can't resist at Tkmaxx, but a lot of the time I'm always going straight for the cushions. Now, I certainly don't need any more, but I couldn't walk away from this beautiful Christmas cushion. They just released some of their Christmas decor at Tkmaxx, and this cushion was simply stunning. Tkmaxx also carry a huge range of candles. This particular one, guys, was extra large, and the scent from it is just beautiful. I also fell in love with these beautiful baby blue ginger jars. Now, I'm a sucker for a ginger jar as well, guys. They draw me in all the time, but I just couldn't find a baby blue one. But I walked into Tkmaxx and just went, oh my goodness, there's blue ones everywhere. There was so many beautiful ginger jars this particular day, and these ones were only $24.99. Now, I did manage to pick up a few pumpkins. I was in love with this beautiful blush pink one. Now guys, it has Mr. and Mrs. on the front of it, but I figured that I can just turn it around and decorate it from the back where it doesn't have Mr. and Mrs. on the front. So I picked up this one for just $12.99, and I also got this beautiful lighted pearl one. It's just stunning.
And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost.
Now, I thought that by grouping these together, that would go so beautiful together.
All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me.
And my favourite pumpkins of all, guys, would be these beautiful fur leopard print pumpkins. Now these were just $12.99 each, and they are so soft and so cozy, and they have this beautiful gold glitter stem. Now, 2 of my other favourite things from this haul would be this come in and get cozy sign. I love how neutral it is, and it has that beautiful beaded detail around the frame. I also picked up a leopard print kitchen rug. I think this is so stunning, and it went perfect in the decor for my kitchen. Now this wasn't actually from Tkmaxx, guys, it was from Early Settler Furniture here in Australia, but I absolutely loved this Greek goddess vase. Now it was from memory $29.95, and what I did is I just added these bunny tail flowers to the top, and I think it's so pretty and goes perfect with my neutral decor. Now I also picked up this adorable blush pink pumpkin from Tkmaxx, which is also a candle, and it's by the Martha Stewart line. So now I'm going to give you a little tour of where I put everything in my home. We're going to start off first of all here in my master bedroom, and this is where I placed that beautiful blush pink throw.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. And when I try, but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I truly love a cozy throw in a home. I think it brings such a warm and cozy atmosphere to any space, and Tkmaxx certainly comes to the party when you're trying to find that particular throw that gives that feeling. So we're now in my dining room, and this is where I styled my Martha Stewart little pink pumpkin candle. It smells so delicious, this. I didn't actually light it for this particular scene, but I did light it afterwards, guys, and the aroma from this beautiful little candle was just perfect.
Here I am, right in front of you. Look at me when I say I'm sure what I'm doing, so please let me stay till the morning comes and take me away. So please let me stay. Never mind to apologize our mistakes here and now. Let our love explode. Show me how you do it alright. Are you thinking about us? Are you thinking about us?
So now we're in the kitchen, and this is where I put that extra large candle. It also smelt so divine.
Maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to, baby. Look at me now and say that there is no turning back.
I also added my leopard print mat here, as well as the dish towels, and I couldn't make up my mind where I wanted to put the kitchen rug, guys, on the left or right hand side, so I played around with it a little bit here. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I also added that Let's Get Cozy sign to the top, and I always like to layer my pictures, so I actually just layered it with a shiplap picture that I already had.
Oh, I can understand why you feel insecure. All the things I said and the things I did before. If the stain on you, I'll take it away. If you let me stay, never mind all your principles. If you feel this is right, we're here and now. Let us not lose precious time. Are you thinking about us? Are you thinking about us? And wanna catch up where we left off? Look around, and it's just you and I. We exist in this world right now. So let's keep it this way for a while. I know you want it as well, baby. Look at me now and say that there is no turning back. And maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you.
Now guys, we're now in my breakfast area, and this is where I styled that beautiful little pearl lighted pumpkin, as well as the blush pink one. Now you may have noticed that I've changed this room slightly. I bought out my extra large mantle from my bedroom, and I've styled it here. And this is where I've also added those beautiful leopard print fur pumpkins.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me.
Now another throw blanket I forgot to show you close up, guys, was this beautiful leopard print throw. It was just $29.95. It's so soft and cozy as well, guys. And I've styled it here with my Pottery Barn pumpkin. Coffee table, this is where I added that beautiful Greek goddess vase, and then I also brought out my mirrored buffet underneath my TV now, and this is where I added those stunning baby blue ginger jars. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed styling my home with my Tkmaxx finds. Now guys, I am going to start my Christmas series after this video, so be sure to tap your notification bell and be aware next time I upload a video, because I'm really excited for Christmas and I'm so excited to share ideas with you. So if that's something may interest you, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love most of all if you hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chellesglamhome family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.